Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can edit photos and scan documents using MS Paint. So before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, open the MS Paint, Microsoft Paint, and open Run, and here you can write down MS Paint and click OK. Here if you have any saved scanned document, you can edit that by opening it here. Open, and on the desktop I have one scanned document. I want to edit that and click enter. Okay, and here if you want to edit something, for example the entries here, you can see first of all we have to select this, select it, and if you want to change this one, you have to first highlight it using this and click delete, and now you can use the text using this and click here, and you have to set the font as per the other entries. I think it's Times Roman, and the font is 14, I think so, and it's bold, it's not bold. I think font is little bigger, 16. Yes, 16 is perfect. Now here you can see that I have changed the entry here. Now if you want to change here, for example I want to change this type A, I want to use here type B. First delete A and write here C. You have to change the position according to the written line, and you can change here C as whatever you want and write here A. That is how you can edit the scanned documents, and simply you can save here. Now for example if you have photos and you want to edit them as well, you can also edit photos. Now I will edit photo, one of the photo here. Now click here file and open, and in desktop I have one more photo, that is open it and zoom out a little bit. Now for example if you want to delete this one balloon here in the sky, you can simply select here, select and click here, select this area and click delete. Now in the background it will show a white patch which is not good for our image. What will we do? We use this pen picker, click here and click here and use this fill with color and fill this color, but it also doesn't match with the real picture. What will we do? We can use the select and click here the image and click here Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now the area we have copied here and pasted here, we can move it on this patch. Now it looks fine and click save. Now you can now you see that how we can edit and how we can edit documents and photos on using MS Paint. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.